Welcome to Open College UK Limited. My name is Hazel. This course in garden design is diploma awarded and is available within the UK and shipped to all overseas countries around the world. This course is a home study, distant learning course pack in hardback format, containing books, folders, membership certificates and course paperwork. All your completed coursework is emailed back to your student support email address when you have finished your studies. Everything is sent back by email. You are not required to post anything back to the college. Anyone can enroll at any time, beginners, intermediates and experienced, all year round. There are no entry requirements for this course program. We have been providing this Open College UK Limited Diploma course for over 20 years to students within the UK and overseas. You are welcome to enroll at any time it suits you. Enrollment is ongoing and open, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. All reading materials and books are fully supplied direct in one complete pack, shipped out to you using express delivery. There are no other course materials for you to purchase. There are no hidden or additional fees to pay. This course is structured in an easy learning and user-friendly way to meet all learners' needs. Join a diverse group of thousands of students who are already reaping the benefits of online, home study or distance learning education without any rigid schedule. Support on your course is available for everyone, irrespective of your level of learning. Simply drop us an email if you need help at any time with your course studies. Thank you for taking the time to enroll onto your new course with Open College UK Limited and for watching this video. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Please click the below like, share and subscribe buttons to help us grow in awareness. Have an amazing and safe day ahead.